I hope everyone is doing good. I have created a short video on sample questions with answers for Microsoft certification exam, that is AZ-900, and it is about Azure fundamentals. So I recently have passed the certification exam in February 2020, and passing score is around approximately 70%. And you can have questions from 4 different modules in the exam. So module 1, understand cloud concepts. Module 2, understand core Azure services. Module 3, understand security, privacy, compliance and trust. And module 4, understand Azure pricing and support. So let's start the practice questions, and you can always pause the video if you need more time to think on answers. So question 1, a company is planning on hosting an application on a set of virtual machines in Azure. They want to ensure that the application survives a region-wide failure in Azure. So which of the following concept needs to be considered to fulfill this requirement? Option A, elasticity. Option B, agility. Option C, disaster recovery. And option D, scalability. And the correct answer is option C, disaster recovery. Question 2, a company wants to migrate their current on-premise servers to Azure. They want to ensure that the servers are running even if a single Azure data center goes down. Which of the following terms refers to the solution that needs to be in place to fulfill this requirement? Option A, fault tolerance. Option B, agility. Option C, disaster recovery. And option D, scalability. And the correct answer is option A, fault tolerance. Question 3, your company is planning on using the Azure App Service to host their set of web applications. Does Azure provide full control over the operating system that hosts the web applications? Option A, yes. Option B, no. And the correct answer is option B, no. Question 4, a company is planning on moving some of their on-premise resources to Azure. They have to provide a business justification for moving to Azure. They have to classify expenses as part of the business justification. So which category would the following expense come under? Option A, primary expenditure. Option B, capital expenditure. Option C, operating expenditure. And option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option C, operating expenditure. Question 5, a company is planning on storing 1 TB of data in Azure Blob Storage. Would the cost of data storage be the same regardless of the region the data is stored in? Option A, correct. Option B, incorrect. And the correct answer is option B, incorrect. Next question, a company is planning on using the Azure Content Delivery Service. So which of the following is the right category to which the Azure Content Delivery Service belongs to? Option A, function as a service. Option B, software as a service. Option C, platform as a service. Option D, infrastructure as a service. The correct answer is platform as a service. Question 7, when can an organization completely decommission their on-premise data center? Option A, when all of their servers are in the private cloud. Option B, when they have a hybrid solution. Option C, when all of their servers are in the public cloud. Option D, when all of their servers are in the public and private cloud. Correct answer is option C, when all of their servers are in the public cloud. Question number 8, a company is planning on using the Azure cloud for hosting resources. Which of the following is a key advantage of hosting resources in the Azure public cloud? Option A, different departments in your organization can have a segmentation of resources defined in Azure. Option B, you pay a capital upfront cost when using resources in the public cloud. Option C, all users across the world can access the resources in your Azure account. And option D, only privileged users can have access to resources in your Azure account? Correct answer is option A. Different departments in your organization can have a segmentation of resources defined in Azure. Question number 9. An application consists of a set of virtual machines hosted in a virtual network. So in a month, the application seems to have a load of around 20% for 3 weeks. During the last week, the load on the application reaches 80%. So which of the following concept would you implement to ensure cost and efficiency of the underlying application infrastructure is optimal? Option A, elasticity. Option B, high availability. Option C, fault tolerance. And option D, disaster recovery. Correct answer is option A, elasticity. And the last question is, a company is planning on setting up a private cloud network. So which of the following is an advantage of setting up a private cloud network? Option A private cloud environment can only support an infrastructure as a service model. Option B, a private cloud environment can only support a platform as a service model. Option C, the private cloud environment can be rolled out to select users. Option D, the private cloud environment can be rolled out to the general public. And correct answer is option C. The private cloud environment can be rolled out to select users. So thank you guys. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. Also subscribe this channel, as I will be creating more videos on Microsoft training and certifications very soon. Till then, bye and have a good time.